Hello students, how are you all? Hope all are safe at home. Myself, teacher Yashoda, who will be handling physical education to you this academic year 2020-21. I will be recording videos and sending you all. You go through it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through messages. Today's class, we will learn about aims and objectives of physical education. What is physical education? Physical education is the integral part of general education, whereas general education stresses the theoretical aspects, and physical education is practical as well as theoretical. According to Marshall, learning by doing activities is physical education. Okay, my dear children, let us see aims and objectives of physical education. Aims. Aims means wholesale development of personality. Total development of personality. When there is goal in our life can only be better if we strive for its effectiveness. Like this, physical education has its own goal. There are many aspects to that purpose. The main argument among them is physical development, social development, spiritual development, emotional development, mental development. Let us see each things. Physical development means development of organic system such as circulatory system, respiratory system, nerves, muscular, digestive system, etc. Physical growth says development of motor components such as strength, speed, coordination, agility, flexibility, power, balance, reaction time takes place in these aspects. Social development. It is very easy and simple to understand, isn't it? Yes. Physical education is better source for attaining the qualities like cooperation, sportsmanship, leadership, tolerance, and sympathy through involvement in sports and group activities, etc. A society can prosper in a healthy social environment, and such type of environment is only possible through the program of physical education. Spiritual development. Spiritual development means development of personality towards a religious or spiritual desire, better personality. Physical education helps individual to know himself in a better way. It helps to come closer to himself. Unlike other activities, sports participation teaches an individual to focus in present only. This acts helps him or her in self-realization. Emotional development. Emotional development means what? What we can say about emotional development? My dear children, every individual has various types of emotions. Pleasures, hope, hate, fear, jealousy, anger, loneliness, etc. Physical education develops these emotions and also teaches to have proper control over these emotions. Mental development. How it is related to physical activities? Physical activities are performed in combination with the brain function. In order to perform fine motor tasks, The involvement of mental work processes is indispensable. Sports skills learning at initial level put in high demand of mental activities. Dear students, yes, next topic, objectives of physical education. Dear students, now you can see all the points will above chart. Just observe it. Physical education is education provided through activities. Do you know about the activities? How teachers are taking lesson? How? They are taking lesson through activities, isn't it? Yes, here also we are taking activities through providing education. Physical education attempts to make a person complete with all-round development. All-round development means what? Physical development, mental development, spiritual development, psychologically development, everything it comes. So, we can say that physical education attempts to make a person complete with all-round development. There are these popular sayings, only strong people can build a strong nation, and only strong people can lead a happy life. Do you know about strong people? Strong people means what? How you are saying? Like bodybuilder? No. Mentally and physically you can say, isn't it? You have to see or observe only through physical education or activities a person become mentally and physically strong. Therefore, only strong people can make strong nation and only strong people can lead the happy life. My dear students, I hope you understood this lesson. If you have any doubt, ask through messages. Thank you.